Hi and welcome to how to log into WordPress and post your own posts and create your own categories for your blog in WordPress. So here's the WordPress login screen, and in this instance we've used businesscoachnewcastle.com for this. So you go to http with 2 forward slashes businesscoachnewcastle.com/WP and a dash like a hyphen login.php, and whatever your website is, in this case it's businesscoachnewcastle.com, whatever your WordPress blog is called would be the name .com / and wp-login.php to get you to this login page. Okay, so once we get to this page here, you then enter your details. So I'm just going to fill and submit, and we'll go login. And that brings you to the dashboard. Now this dashboard is what you first see when you log into WordPress, and the area that you want to go to, it tells you how many posts you've got up there, how many pages you have, and how many categories you have. Now if you look at your website, if we open a new window and look at the Newcastle, if we go to businesscoachnewcastle.com blog, I'll show you what I mean by pages. These are your pages here. So you're going to have a home, this is your home page here, an about us, a contact us, and a privacy statement. They are your pages which you see right here. So if you click on pages, your pages will show up along the top of the about, contact, and privacy statement. So if we go back to your main site here, you're going to see about, contact us, and privacy statement. So to edit those pages, you would simply click on any one of these areas here, about, and you click on edit, contact us, you click on edit, or privacy statement, you click on edit to change any of the information on those pages. Same with your posts. Now when you click on the post tab, you'll see all of the actual titles of the articles that are in your on your home page. So for example, the welcome to Business Coach Newcastle is what's called a sticky post. Now what the sticky post means is it stays at the top here for everyone to see, no matter who comes to your website and how many posts you actually put on the site. So you'll see that if you scroll down, you've got sticky here. That's going to remain the same. So you don't want to touch this post at all. You don't want to touch these other posts. You want to add other posts in here, but this just shows you where those posts are. So to add some more posts to your website, you want to go to add new. So you click on that, and basically in here you'll have a title where you can actually add your title. You can add all of your details in here. At the top here there's a bold and italics button that you can use to bold your text and italicize it as well. So they're just like a basic word editor. If you want to insert an image, you click on this little icon here and it will say add image. If you want to insert a video, you can go here and add a video. Normally you would go to YouTube and just insert the YouTube code, and I can show you how to do that quite easily if you need to know how to do that. Basically that's how you would put your post in there. So you'd put your text in here for your post, you'd go down, and at the bottom here is actually a little area where you can put in, it's all in one SEO. So you'd put the title of your post here, you'd put a small description, so describe up to 160 characters what your post is about, and you want to put in some keywords. Now this is important, so when people type in certain things into Google or Yahoo, what they're looking for. So just say for example you type in a business coaching article around improving profits. Improving profits might be a keyword that you put in here. Then you put a comma and you might put in how to improve profits as another keyword phrase. So you put in what you think people will search for in Google or Yahoo or any of the search engines, and then when you're finished you need to go over to the right here and you'll notice there's a publish button or a preview button. So you can actually click on preview if you wanted to preview what this post looks like. So once you click on preview, it will bring up another internet window, and there's your post there. It's not saved yet, but that's what it would look like in the actual in your website. If we close out of there, the other thing that you need to know about also before you publish are categories. And the categories of your website are going to be, if we scroll down, Business Coach Newcastle, Business Coach Recommendations in Newcastle, How Business Coaching Works, and Why Business Coaching Works. So these are categories or pages that will line up. Why Business Coaching. So for example, if you want to under Why Business Coaching, look in, there's Why Business Coaching here. So recent posts have come in under these categories. So if you click on Why Business Coaching, you'll notice that there's only one post under Why Business Coaching. But if you were to select in here Why Business Coaching, and you were to post this post that I've just created, and you select that and you click on publish, it will show up as a second post under Why Business Coaching. Now you can also add, if you just say you've got other categories that you want to list in here, so you might click on add new category, and that will then enable you to add a new category, whatever you want to call it. Now keep in mind, you want to make these categories search phrases. So someone might type in Business Coach Newcastle, that's a search phrase, or Business Coach Recommendations, How Business Coaching Works, I'll type that into a search engine. Why Business Coaching? So you might want to think of other categories that you can create here and make categories for them, and then select them and put posts in each of those categories and then publish them to those categories. I hope that's clear, because in my explanation there, so that you can understand that these categories, when you select them over here, like their categories here, and under each of these categories is going to be some posts, which is over here to your left, of the posts that you create. And as you add these categories and extra posts to them, that's what will help you rank higher in Google. And as you create these posts and add the search in the SEO characters, or the search engine optimization, what's the word for it in here, descriptions for the title, for the actual description of the post, and the keywords, that's what will help you rank in Google. And to do this effectively, you probably need to add a new post every second day, or every day if you can, every second day or third day at the outside. So you're looking at probably adding 3 posts a week at the minimum to make this strategy work really well. But if you do that, it will work quite well, and you can add categories and extra posts over time, and that will work really well for you. So that's a basic quick tutorial on how this works. Go ahead and log into your WordPress site now and go through the steps, and you'll be adding posts really quickly. Any questions, feel free to get in touch with me.